We often encounter situations like this. We frequently see wild animals near residential areas. So, why is this happening? It's because we're destroying their natural habitats and leaving them with nowhere to live. This curious bear is probably just looking for food. It's dangerous both for the animal and for people. Let's be more careful from now on. You can even think of videos like this as a kind of public service announcement. This guy spots the alligator near a pond and catches it, but it's still very small. What could you possibly want to do with such a little animal? Hopefully it's just injured and that's why he caught it. Let's think positively. But if he has bad intentions, then we need to speak out and put a stop to it.
1 minute it's like, oh, we got this, and it's like 2 hours later.
I have no idea who this person is. He's trying to force the door lock, and a concerned neighbor comes out to ask what he's doing. The guy could have even charged at him. It was dangerous. But still, the neighbor confronts him and questions him.
Yo, what are you doing here? I stashed my stuff in this closet. You're not supposed to. I'm trying to get it out.
How you stash your stuff? You live here?
I don't live here. No.
So how you stash your stuff there? Nobody goes. We don't even got access to that closet, bro.
It was left on the lawn.
There's someone wandering around your yard looking for something. In this kind of situation, do not go outside. He might be carrying a sharp object. He eventually left on his own after not finding anything. A shootout broke out between some young people, and these two likely ran home and already started planning their next move. Luckily, no one else seems to be outside. Hopefully, no one was injured. This is exactly the kind of thing we love to see on doorbell cameras. Just look at how adorable they are. And that smile. Everyone would love to have a child like this. This guy clearly knows the garage door is supposed to be locked. He comes straight up and checks the lock to see if it's secured. When he sees it's locked, he just walks away.
Stop grabbing me! What are you grabbing me for?
This guy does something very wrong and starts raising his voice at the police. Maybe it's guilt getting the better of him. The officers respond firmly, and 2 of them take him down and arrest him with force. What kind of crime do you think he might have committed?
Watch your door.
Man, what the fuck are y'all doing to me? What the fuck are you talking about?
Get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
Oh, why are you kicking me?
No one's kicking you.
Yes, he is, dude. What the fuck? Man, I didn't even do nothing. I'm sitting on a porch.
One of these 2 thieves tried to cover his face, but the other one got caught on camera. Because his face is visible, there's a high chance the guy with him will get caught too. They were recorded while trying to force open a house door. These dogs were walking around the yard when they suddenly heard a noise in the distance. One of them immediately ran off, and the other tried to figure out what was going on. When it saw the car, it ran too, barely avoiding getting hit. Do you think the driver's brakes failed, or was something else going on?
Put the car in park. Hey. You okay? I am. I'm so sorry.
The man safely got out of his car, and another vehicle that witnessed the crash pulled over to help. Police also arrived at the scene and are checking to make sure the man is okay.
Or just ran into that house over there. Let me give you the address for a second. Hey, sir.
This guy must have had some kind of issue with the homeowner. He showed up with a huge pickaxe and tried to break the door open. When he realized he didn't have the strength to get through, he gave up and walked away. This man is heading out from his home to go to work. It had snowed outside and everything was covered in ice, but he didn't take that into account. As he walks down the steps, he suddenly slips and falls hard. Always make sure to clear the area in front of your door when the weather is bad. The truck driver hit a car that was parked on the side of the road and just kept going. Do you think it was due to inattention, or was it something done on purpose? These three young people kicked the door to annoy the homeowner, but they didn't expect the homeowner to be prepared. He immediately opened the door and let his dog out. Once the kids ran off, he called the dog back. The reason for this was to give them a small warning so they wouldn't do it again. The woman who came to visit her neighbor didn't knock on the door. Instead, she sang and danced to get the homeowner to come to the door. It's definitely a unique way to enter a house. Isn't ringing the doorbell easier? The homeowner most likely put these items outside so that people in need could take them. This guy is looking for something he needs. If there's anything wrong around your house, on the sides or the roof, make sure to get it fixed. As you can see, trees are falling and roofs are flying off. Pay attention to these things. From what I can tell, this seems to be the woman's car, but I'm not sure who's inside. She's hitting the car with a stick and telling the person to get out. When they don't, she then demands the car keys.
This is my car. Wait. This is my car. Get up. This is my car, Romeo. My boss will. Go! Go where you from. Idiot! Give me my key. Give me my key. Give me my key. Otherwise I kill you. Idiot.
As the woman kept hitting the car, the driver had no choice but to drive away to get out of the situation.
Call.
Don't forget to use your winter tires in snowy weather so you don't end up in a situation like this. This guy is mowing the lawn, but he forgets the lawnmower behind him, trips over it, and falls. Then he just gets up and continues like nothing happened. This guy had his eye on a package left at the door. He slowly opens the door and grabs it, but just as he's about to close it, the homeowner catches him. He quickly backs off and leaves without taking the package.
No, I'm about to ring. I was ringing the doorbell.
I saw you on camera. Put that package back now.
Another package theft. But this time, the homeowner catches him. Still, the guy who took the package just ignores it and keeps walking like nothing happened.
That's my package. This man just walked away with my curtains.
This guy most likely isn't in a good mental state. He's attacking everything he sees and destroying it all. I'm really amazed by how smart these bears are. At the beginning of the video, one of them opened a door. And now this one opens the door of a camper with no effort and goes right in. How do they even know how to do this? Can someone explain?